Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all having an amazing day and I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you is how you can sign out of Quora, and let's get right into it. First, let me shortly explain what Quora is. Quora is a website or a web service or a social media site, you can call it whatever you want, where several people, including yourself, may ask questions publicly and can have other people answer those questions or reply to them with whatever answer they have. So that is pretty much it. As you can see, I am currently logged into my account, and you need an account if you want to actually post answers on Quora. But let's say you want to log out. As you can see, I am currently on the browser version, and I think it's pretty much the same with the mobile version. If it's not, please comment down below if it is different. However, as you can see, I'm logged in, and if I want to actually log out of my account, what I want to do is go click on my account icon here in the top right, and I will be brought to this screen. I could go into my account here, however there is no option to log out here. If you want to log out, just go down here, and as you can see, here is the logout option. That is one way. However, I know that there is probably another way here. Yep, if you go into settings, here under account settings, you can log out, but not only on this device. You can log out on any browser where you are logged into Quora. You can also go into privacy and delete your account or deactivate it if you so wish. But that is pretty much it. Those are the ways that you can log out of your account. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.